Hello, boss! I'm Davis is showing you one of our latest engraving machines today. Come on, let's go! It's already cut. Let's take the finished product down and see what the effect is. Ouch. Come on. This is a pattern made of foam ceramic. Ah, this is a sculptural effect of the plane. You just saw a whole process of it. Its speed is very fast. So what are the features of this machine? I'm going to walk you through it. Come on, let's go. So let's look at the camera here. Okay, the speed of our spindle. That is this one speed representing this spindle. It can go up to 20,000, 4,000 revolutions per minute. So it's a high speed and engraving spindle. So what about our whole machine? What about a system that is equipped? I used a system from Waihong. You can see that I have a control board card of Waihong here. You can see it here. This is a control board for one of Waihong's buses. The whole machine uses a high precision 4-volt motor. There is also a water cooling system. Okay, let's continue to go this way. You can see it here. It uses a high precision wear assistant rack. In addition, it is equipped with double linear guides. These two linear guides are also linear guides of international first-line brands. So what about this machine? Its accuracy can achieve a very high accuracy. In addition, it works at one of the fastest speeds. It can process 15 meters per minute. It travels at speeds of up to 40 meters per minute, so it's very fast and efficient compared with traditional engraving machines. Its speed has at least doubled. How about the pattern engraved just now? Do you want to engrave the pattern you want? If not, remember to call me. Send me the graphic you want to engrave. I'm Davis. I am waiting for you in Foshan, Guangdong, China. Bye.